Indeed, no, I think you have to step in the middle, please. Okay.
Yes, let me give it a shot.
Sorry?
Let me give it a shot.
Indeed, okay. Tell me something about you, let me go.
I am Miss Curvy.
You're Miss Curvy. You have a very big fan in the house. He likes you so much.
Well, thank you so much. You guys, these things are not easy. I'm here shivering, and yet I thought I was a pro. Alright, so judges, up to you now. It's elimination time.
Yes, we're going to the best moment. Our first contestant is contestant number 5. Congratulations.
Congratulations, contestant number 5.
The next contestant should be the one that follows, contestant number 6. And once again, congratulations also to contestant number 1. Because of the love indeed, contestant number 2, congratulations. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I call upon contestant number 3. Contestants for 2022-2023 Miss Curvy Uganda. Congratulations, ladies.
Thank you so much.
Contestants. So the second contestant is contestant number 6. Our top 3, and it's among you that we are crowning our beauty queen tonight. Congratulations once again.
Congratulations once again, ladies. And to everyone behind there, you're all winners. But it is a competition at the end of the day. So without wasting too much time, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, to contestant number 2. Congratulations.
Our second runners-up is contestant number 2. And the outgoing second runners-up is handing over her crown. Congratulations.
So 2 ladies stand. You can hold arms if you wish to. One of them is going to be the first runners-up, and the second one will be the winner tonight.
That's a beautiful moment. Our second runners-up handing over the crowd, which does not want to leave. A queen crowning a queen. Beautiful.
Absolutely. All right. So the winner tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the winner tonight. Someone says they should first runners up.
Yes,
and indeed, the last person will be. I can't hear you.
The winner.
Indeed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first runners up, Miss Curvy Uganda, is none other than contestant number 1.
So,
Congratulations, contestant number 6.
Miss Curvy 2022 is none other than contestant number 6. Congratulations, Sharad. Congratulations to Miss Curvy 2022. Congratulations and order. Miss Sharad is Mama Sharad, Olw'essanyu. Gyebaleko. Webale tuzaalira omwana omulungi. Owulira otya mu kaseera kano?
Mpulira bulungi nnyo. Sisanyuka bulungi. Mukama mulungi okusinga kyonna.
Amiina.
Nsanyuse nnyo, nsanyukidde ddala, ne mwebaza Mukama amusobozesezza okuddamu ebibuuzo obulungi. Kubanga sobola kibaleka naye nga n'obwongo bubeera bukola. Kale nkyebaliza Katonda, mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala.
Abazadde abalala abali eyo abalina abaana be babbulinga mu masomero ku lwa sayizi zaabwe oba bamagezi ki gwe wasobola otya okuza Sharad ng'ali confident?
Sharad yakula nga mwana mulungi, nga mwana wa mpisa, nga mukakkamu nnyo, nga taba na buzibu, nga ne bwe bamuvuma ng'ajja n'akugamba nti mami bangambye bwe bati. Naye bw'omugamba ddamu amaanyi, tewali kizibu. Mukama ye yakutonda, osanga ayina ekigendererwa lwaki yakutonda bw'ati. Kakati ekigendererwa olwaleero lukirabise. Abakadde bonna abali eyo bonna abalina abaana nga Sharad, oba kusalako Sharad naye nga Sharad. Abalina abaana bwe batyo mubawe kkaloti, temubamalamu maanyi. Kubanga nange we yangamba nti ayagala kujja mu Miss Curvy, saamugaana, namugamba nti Mukama bw'aba agambye ogende, genda. Era nemusabira akuteekeko omukono obangule olage nti abantu abanene ba mugaso. Era abantu abanene ba mugaso temubavoola, temuboogerera bubi. N'okujja mu Miss Curvy sigamba nti oyonoonye, kubanga ayiseemu lwa bibuuzo, kubanga bonna abawala babadde balungi. Naye ebibuuzo abiseemu bulungi.
Will get a scholarship at whatever level she is, courtesy of, will take her to Victoria University. She also gets a prize from the Ministry of Tourism, but the Commissioner will announce. And the three of you get a whole month for a spa at Spa Mania. Dinner, Freedom City, wherever you want. They'll massage you, you'll go in there. Please take me to that jacuzzi and so on. But as we continue, we hope that
the reason why it's called the Pearl of Africa. So we are giving you a weekend trip to Queen Elizabeth National Park. So you can be able to go and appreciate what God gave us.